Dudes, you're not gonna believe this. This weather in Little Rock, it is raining outside, so you better lock up your doors and close your blinds, cause bro, this weather is not playing. Plus, the thunderstorms scared the crap out of me. I tripped, and the lightning strike almost made almost trip. I almost tripped. The light almost went off to a blackout. Oh, Lordy Lord. You guys better be careful, because this weather is... God, this weather is nuts. Whew. And don't even think about going outside, because if you do, who knows what will happen, because you might trip. You might fall. You might hurt yourself, like I did. Because this weather is nuts. You better get shelter, people. You better get in shelter. Because this weather is crazy. Because if you think I'm lying, let me show you. If you think I'm lying, I'm just waiting for that lightning strike. Oh, wait. Well, you can't hear it, but here it is. Well, this is my room. Well, yeah, that's my room, but don't go in there. Dudes. Shh. That's it, but that's not it. I want to hear the big one. And I'll show you what I react. So, man, I hate thunderstorms. I really do. I don't care about the rain, but thunder, not a chance. No. Rain, it's okay. And don't get me started with snow. But seriously, dude, just be careful. This is a flash flood warning. Yeah, it's a flash flood warning. Because I don't want anything to happen, because there might be crocodiles or snakes or piranha or alligators in the water. What's that noise? Is that the sound of our TV working?
This one is going to be a good one.
Yeah, well, you know, it works. I think the weather is about to pass. Yeah, it's almost time to. I think the weather's almost time to stop. Yeah, just give it about like 20 minutes or so. Well, rule number one. Rule number one. Rule number one. If you hear lightning strikes, you run, or you run like a little girl. No, scream. Or even worse, hide in your bed. So please, people, be careful not to get on this weather, because I hate thunderstorms. I hate lightning storms. And I know that's God's creations. Those are his weather creations, but don't hate. Just don't like. Just stay home. Just don't even think about going outside, dude. And tornadoes as well. I do not like tornadoes. And blizzards and so on and so forth for Mother Nature. So that's it, I guess. Jalen out.